There's a different kind of satisfaction that comes with helping somebody in a situation that's unpleasant. You're providing a safe environment for them, helping prevent any potential disease, and it just feels good to help people.
It is very important. We all find that out when we have power failures like the freeze. We had no water, no electricity, no heat, no cooling. It's a necessity of life.
Yeah, sometimes it's nice to be the hero.
I did grow up in coastal Texas, south of Victoria. The schools weren't even air conditioned down there when I was in school until you got up to high school.
At Efficient, our primary differentiator is that we do both residential and commercial service work more or less equally. What that does is provide higher skilled people to our customers' needs and to their solutions.
A lot of these tasks are some things they're doing, like installing an air conditioning. You need to have the HVAC skill, you also need to have the electrical skill, and on some units you also need the plumbing skill.
Having all of the trades within the one house of Efficient benefits the customer because you're seeing the same faces, you're seeing the same name, and you have the same standard that is going to be upheld.
If you have multiple things you need taken care of, you're still calling one person and it's all getting handled. It's all in-house by one place.
I've been with Efficient for 3 years now. They're a great company. They care a lot about the employees as well as the customers, the overall satisfaction of everybody involved, and the quality of the work we produce.
I can always do my best job and put my best effort into what I'm doing. That way it looks good and it's efficient. It makes me proud to know that I'm making a difference in my community.
We try to maintain long-term employees. They're all regular full-time people. We're not subcontracting anything. We're not calling somebody that we've never worked with before. When we send someone, say, to a new customer, if they like that person, we're going to try to send that same person out for that same trade. It's easier for the customer. For us, it's actually more efficient because we don't have to recreate the wheel every time.
I always have to make sure my job is completed 100%. Whenever my name is put on something along with Efficient, that we are 100% in this.
That tone is started at the top with the owners. They treat people with respect, and that's a big thing.
I don't have a manager above me that expects me to hit a quota. So when I go out, I can give them a true and honest opinion of what I feel like they should do.
We've tried to keep it more mom and pop or family oriented. We still do birthday cakes for every single employee, or pie if that's what you put down on your favorite dessert list. We get a lot of just how professional your employee was, how courteous they were.
The positive feedback we do get really drives home the idea that you should work with Efficient because we make people happy, essentially.
I am efficient.
I am efficient.
I am efficient.
I am efficient. I am efficient.
I am efficient.
I am efficient, and I love it.